Hello there, listeners and learners. Mr. Zilke here with a YouTube tutorial video. So I'm going to show you how you might use the Google Drawing app to help kids recognize that math is everywhere, including everywhere in the classroom. One thing you could actually propose to your students is, can you find me an example of something that has no math involved in it? Because I, for one, cannot think of anything that is completely disconnected from math. Maybe a bright student will be able to find something, but I doubt it. So if a student knows, and I'm looking at the glossary in the Ontario math curriculum, if a student has been instructed on what an acute angle is, maybe in a mini lesson, or maybe it's been mentioned by the teacher, or maybe they're looking at their own glossary and reading and seeing examples themselves. If they know that an acute angle is an angle whose measures between 0 and 90 degrees, they might be able to recognize that there are acute and obtuse angles here in this picture. So I'm going to pretend I'm a student and I look at this V and I say, I think this V, just zoomed in on it, I think this V is an acute angle. Maybe I want to test this out, so I'll go to my line tool. I will draw over top of the image with my line tool. I'll try and accurately draw this angle. So here's the angle. I'm going to change the line color to red so it's a little more visible. I'm going to do the same for my other line. And I think I will make it a little thicker as well, so I'll change the line weight to 3. The student can say, I think this is an acute angle. Now, the student might not be sure, but let's say this student knows that a right angle is found in rectangles. So we can select the rectangle tool, make their own rectangle, change the fill color to transparent. The student can actually test. Let's see if this angle is less than the right angle in a rectangle. And then you can look at it and they can make the observation that yes, this angle in the V is an acute angle because it is in between 0 and 90 degrees, which is represented on this rectangle. So that's one small way that a student can recognize that math is all around them and it's nothing to be afraid of. Thank you for listening and watching. Take care.